Nung last Wednesday ko lang nalaman ng mga cuts ng ating mga budgets, nagulat talaga ako na 12 billion pala ang natanggal. Halos 12 billion, 11 plus, no, almost 12 billion ang natanggal sa Education Department and also about 30 billion sa SUCs. So napakalaki ng cut, almost 42 billion on the education sector. So sana po ma-remedy pa po ni Presidente yun. May veto powers po siya. Sabi nga po ni Senator Ping Lacson ay the President should exercise his veto powers on these line item budgets, no, of our different departments. So sana mai-restore po uli yun. Kasi yung natanggal ay 10 billion on computerization. Diyan pa naman tayo mahina. Ang hina ng ating mga kabataan dahil wala silang access to computer systems, hindi nga sila marunong gumamit ng iba, gumamit ng computers. Kaya napakababa po natin sa mga testing, yung mga iba't ibang PISA and all the different tests given internationally. Kasi yun po ay done online, yun po ay done through computers and gadgets and modern equipment. Hindi nga marunong yung mga kabataan natin, ang alam po nila ballpen lang po at papel, no? So itong 10 billion sana, mag-uumpisa po sana si Senator or Secretary Angara ng computerization program sa iba't ibang schools dito sa ating bansa to be able to improve our PISA rankings, no? Our rankings, student rankings in all the examinations, global examinations needed to show the ranking of our children in terms of our educational, of course, their educational attainment. So napaka-frustrating. Nakikita ko po frustration ni Senator Angara, ni Secretary Angara, na I fully support his frustration at sana po ma-remedy po yan.
So hindi ba parang nasa Constitution na dapat education yung may malaking budget?
Correct. Under Article 5 of the Constitution, education should have received the highest priority in the budget of our country, budget of Congress, coming from Congress. And therefore, now, hindi na po yan ang nangyari. Hindi na po hindi na po ang education sector ang pinakamataas. Lumalabas na po ay public works na po.
Sir, hindi yung violation ng Constitution?
Possibly. That can be taken up by certain groups. It can be questioned. That's why all is not lost until the President can possibly remedy it through some veto provision. So, tignan po natin ano pong gagawin natin Pangulo. But what's important is education should be top priority ayon sa ating konstitusyon, lalo na sa pagbigay po ng budget ng ating bansa.